Hello YouTube team, my name is Dr. Neetu Agarwal and welcome to my YouTube official channel. This is my clinic waiting hall and impact of YouTube on my profession. I have received a warning from YouTube regarding cancellation of my monetization as YouTube partner. However, receiving this warning as a reuse content is very surprising, painful and upsetting as I am making my original content and meaningful videos. YouTube has been a significant part of my professional journey, allowing me to share my knowledge and passion towards my dentistry in global audience. In this video, I am sharing my perspective and originality of my videos. I'm a dental surgeon having more than 20 years of experience in my dentistry, and I have created more than 300 videos for my YouTube channel, Dr. Neetu Agarwal. My channel URL is where we provide high quality dental practical guidance. I would like to address the feedback you provided and explain why it is a misunderstanding. So this is Muskan Dental Care and Orthodontic Center. Most of the video we shoot, generally we shoot here and we give you real cases. We use professionally considered equipments. You can see our cases are real and our own cases. Now let me explain how we create our content. First, come up with the idea we encounter in our daily clinic routine. Includes cases like extraction, scaling, polishing, teeth buildup, aesthetic and cosmetic like orthodontic and implant and root canal treatment and many more cases. Then I script my video in such a way that they are easy to understand and my explanation should be relatable to the general public and it should be very informative. Once we have footage, our team added the video. They give subtitles, animation, transition to make the video impressive and engaging to the viewers. We ensure each video maintain professional approach and it should be easy to understand. It should be helpful for their day-to-day dental problem. We have only 10 remixed or downloaded videos out of 324 videos. These reaction videos are in line with YouTube policies. Explain them in such a way that educate and empowers our viewers. We made sure to follow guidelines and added some transformative and valuable input to each video. In our shorts, sometimes we add background music from YouTube licensed music library to make my shorts more appealing. This is done with full compliance with YouTube guideline to my all videos which provides dental awareness to my viewers. I am proud to share my channel has generated 50 million views and 36,000 active subscribers. These milestones shows that our contents are really informative, valuable, real, original and they have impact on the society worldwide. In summary, my all the videos are original, organic, related to real life, very informative and my own cases for public awareness and their well-being. We sincerely hope this video will clarify all the misunderstanding about our channel, Dr. Neetu Agarwal. This is one more chamber, one more dental chair here, and our aim to make video to tell the society about dental awareness, to take care of their teeth in a very good way, to take care of their good oral hygiene, and to reduce or to stop the habit of tobacco so that they can prevent cancer to happen, so that they can secure their body and our society will be cancer free society. This is one of my clinic and some cases we shoot here and all are real and authentic cases, original cases. Thank you for reviving our appeal and we look forward that we can spread awareness about dental treatment and diagnosis to the society. Thank you so much.